Hello friends and welcome back to Wigs.com's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at a super cute style from TressAllure that is flawless waves. Look at how cute. Obviously the waves, right? The flawless waves in this style are just gorgeous, but a big feature that we're going to be talking about today is the bang. Some people are like one way or the other on a bang. They like it, they don't like it. Regardless of how you feel about it, let's talk about it, along with some great features that come with a wig that has a bang. This one is very dramatic too. It kind of starts here at the crown, so it's super forward, very bang heavy style. But look at the waves here and this beautiful blonde. This is a vanilla blonde that is blended with white, and you've got an ash brown root all throughout the style. So it's actually exactly the same base to top. So this almost looks like you went to the salon, maybe like your normal color job is a scalp to bleach, and then it kind of grew out a little bit, which I think is very fun. I think it adds a very natural look, as well as a bit of an edgy look too. I really like that. Now we're gonna take a look at the cap construction here, which has a basic wefted back, very stretchy. It is an average size cap. You do have a lace top, but under that you do have all of these wefts here for that bang. And so everything is made to lay forward. You're not gonna have any issues with this bang separating down the middle or not laying how you want it to, because it's made to lay exactly how the style looks, which is forward. You do have elastic straps here in the back for a customized fit around the nape of your neck. And one thing that is a great point about having a wig with a bang is no lace front. Now, why is that good? That's good for two reasons. Main reason being the price point's dramatically reduced. Whenever you're able to hide the whole perimeter with like your wefts and just be able to sew that off, you're not gonna be paying for that very natural appearance of the hair coming out of the scalp. Wait till you see this on, it's so cute. But this landing here is so comfortable. So it's actually gonna lay all the way across the top of your head here, and it's like a cushion. It's not itchy, it's very soft and just lays so nice. And it's not itchy at all. Sometimes you'll have an itchy lace, sometimes, not all the time, but two big perks, no itchiness and saving some money. So let's go ahead and throw this style on. Another great thing with this, I really love like the dramatic blonde of this color, but it's available in almost 30 colors. I believe it's 28. Let me show you guys this color up close one more time before we put her on. If you were on the website and you're looking for this color, it is 6131-1001 R18. Take a look at that. You can kind of see just the different dimensions through here. So pretty. Absolutely love that. Now, let's go ahead and put her on. It's always a little shocking at first when you just have such a change, right? I just had long, dark hair. Now I've got short blonde hair. It's so cute. But this is a really, really comfortable cap. I'm kind of new to TressAllure styles, and I've been very impressed. I think their price point's fantastic. I think the fibers feel great. And I think their style versatility and options are fantastic as well. Now, this comes in at 3.5 ounces. So it is very light to wear. And something else that I really like about this style is that it's almost, it just feels like so light around here, because a lot of these layers you can see here are kind of cut short. So as the style comes down, it just gets less and less hair, which feels very natural. A lot of times, you know, your hair's not heavy there towards the ends. But look at these cute little bouncy waves. This is heat friendly, so if you wanted to come in here and kind of manipulate these curls, you could. I personally would not. I just feel like the way that it comes is just perfect. It kind of looks naturally like kind of beach blown, like you care about your hair, but you didn't spend hours on it. It's styled super cute, a real wash and wear look. But this bang is just adorable. All the way from the top forward, and look at that. I just really, really like the way that it frames the face. I think that's just so cute. And again, look how completely covered your hairline is. So you're not needing to pay that extra money for the lace and just that very natural look off the top of your head, because it's completely covered. Take a look at that up close. Let me get this manipulated. Now, I just want you guys to see it because I always keep my hands in it. I'm so sorry. But take a look at that. I think this could be such a casual look, but I also think you could really dress this up for a special night out. But due to the wear of it and just the low density, you just wear this all day long. I think it's just so, so cute. Let's take a look at the back. Hopefully you guys can see it. And another great thing too is just the length of it overall. You guys know I always go for styles that are just off the shoulders because it's not being rubbed on your clothes, super easy to just wear throughout the day without having to sit and detangle it. In my opinion, I wouldn't come through here and like really heavily comb this because I really like these waves to be a little more defined. So I plan to just kind of finger comb this style and that's it. How cute is she? Flawless Waves by TressAllure. So, so cute. Thank you guys for tuning in today, and I'll see you next time. I'm gonna sit here and just keep playing with the style.